Exciting Google TV upgrade. Control your smart home devices with Home Panel. Great news for Google TV and Chromecast users. If you've been waiting for a way to control your smart home devices right from your TV, the wait is over. Older models of Google TV and Chromecast are now getting the fantastic Home Panel feature, which allows you to manage all your smart gadgets directly from your screen. This feature first made its debut with the Google TV streamer last year, but now is available for everyone, thanks to a public preview program that opened the doors for older devices. And guess what? It's rolling out quietly but widely, so keep an eye out. Just this week, the latest update started making its way to users, and reports are pouring in from folks using the Home Panel on discontinued Chromecast devices and various Google TV sets, including popular Hisense TVs. This means that even if your device is no longer the latest model, you can still enjoy this cool new feature. So, what exactly does the Home Panel do? Imagine being able to control all your Google Home-compatible smart devices right from the side of your TV screen. Whether it's adjusting your smart thermostat, checking your video doorbell, monitoring security cameras, or dimming the lights, it's all at your fingertips. Plus, just like Apple's tvOS and Amazon's Fire OS, the Home Panel can keep you updated with smart home notifications, like when someone rings your Nest doorbell. The rollout of the Home Panel is likely tied to a recent software update. When your Google TV device receives the latest build, you'll see a pop-up inviting you to set up the Home Panel as soon as you power it on. However, if you don't have any smart home devices linked to your Google account, you might not see this setup prompt. To make the most of this feature, ensure that the user account on your Google streaming device is the same one linked to your Google Home. Once the update is available, the Home Panel will be accessible only to Google Home users, so keep that in mind if you have kids using the device. This exciting update shows that even older Chromecast users are still in the loop for new features and updates, despite the fact that no new models are on the horizon. So, get ready to take your smart home experience to the next level with this fantastic upgrade.